ready to build AI-powered conversations that feel both smart and smooth. Let's dive into creating dynamic flows in the Vapi AI app with the incredible power of Chatgpt. First, open Vapi AI and click on New Flow. This will open a canvas where our conversation magic will happen. Next, click the Add Node button. Within this section will be a variety of options for creating the flow. Now, select the Chatgpt node from the options. This connects the brilliant mind of Chatgpt directly into your flow. Then, you'll need to configure the Chatgpt node here. You'll craft your initial prompts, providing the context for Chatgpt, which will generate the flow. Think of this as the starting point that gets the AI thinking specifically for your use case. Then, to create more flow, think about how you want the conversation to progress. You might set up actions to different user inputs, or maybe provide direct responses, connect additional nodes to send different responses, create follow-up questions, or even trigger integrations with other services such as a call to action. Finally, it is time to test the flow. Click on the preview option here. You can test the flow as a user, check the responses, and fine-tune until everything goes as smoothly as you like. This gives you the chance to catch any mistakes or refine the process before launching. And there you have it. You've now created a powerful, dynamic conversational experience using the Vapi AI app and Chatgpt. So go forth and build amazing things.